Oh gosh. Jay? What the fuck is going on with your hair, man? I see it's automatic, so you should actually do something about that. Like, that shit is not hot. For real. You definitely do. Because you've been walking around with that shit looking like motherfucking bullshit all week. I'll zoom in. Hey, man. This is Mike J, man. Jay's my cousin. And she having a problem for all y'all hairdressers out there. Back up. Back your ass up. Move! No one wants to see your fucking weave. Move! Gosh. You fucking aggravating. About to piss me off. Alright. Okay, she wants to show everybody your weave, guys. You done? She's done, guys. Anyways, Jay, get the hell out. No, come get this shit. No, take this out of here. Hey, so yeah, man. She has problems. And I really want to work it out with her, but she's just really slow. And her weave, she's still talking to me, but I'm not listening. Anyways, her weave is kind of fucked up. She's been having it fucked up for like the last 3 weeks. Could you get away? I'm talking to YouTube. Fuck. Gosh, she's a loser. No one wants to see your nappy ass. Okay, I'm back. She fucked something up. But yeah. All you hairdressers out there, holla at me. Because she needs to get her shit done ASAP. ASAP. I'm tired. She been keeping me up talking about her motherfucking weave all day. So, yeah. Get at me, man. I'm about to go to sleep. Fuck it, all that stuff. Pissing me the fuck off.